Since 4 hours we entered into a new area of PixInsight, and that thanks to Bill Blanshan. All about it right after the trailer. Hey, this is View into Space. I'm Sasha from Switzerland, so grüezi miteinander and thanks for watching my channel. So in this video I will tell you about a huge thing that just happened in regards to PixInsight. And I will also tell you what this means for you. But this is not a tutorial. I will leave that to Bill Blanshan. And I will also tell you why this is. So let's get into it. So Bill Blanshan has actually in his video 3 weeks ago mentioned that something huge is coming, but nobody knew what it is. And today, 4 hours ago, he dropped the bomb. The issue is simply that at the moment, only about 250 people watched it actually, and this should be in the thousands based on how important it is. And that's why all I really want to do is tell you, watch this video. Create your own PixInsight script with PixelMath UI. And a lot of people, when they read PixelMath UI, that's the moment they go to the next video because it just sounds complicated. So actually, first of all, the link to Bill's video is in the description below. But let's go now to PixInsight, where I already installed his script. When you actually installed it, link of the repository you find in Bill Blanshan's video in the description. You go here to Cosmic Photons PixelMath UI, and that is here what you get. So what is this huge thing? In principle, Bill has invented a script which lets you program your own script in a very easy way. And what I mean with that is that it's easier than it was until now, but it's still not so easy that it's just like 1, 2, 3 and you have done it. So in principle, it lets you modify your own PixelMath formulas into scripts so that you, for example, have a few variables within a PixelMath formula, and then you can very easily actually with preview and everything change these variables and see right away what the effect on your picture is. You also have possibilities to zoom your preview. You have the possibility, if it's a linear picture, to actually do a linked or unlinked stretch so that you see what you're doing, and so on and so on. So there will be now one group of you who says, yeah, absolutely want to do that. And there's a group of you who says, oh, well, still PixelMath, no thank you. So I see there's 2 ways how you can actually use this script and why it makes sense to download it. If you belong to the group of people who doesn't really like math or PixelMath or anything like that, the great part is if you go here on this tab, load scriptlets, you find here a ton of scripts that Bill Blanshan has already done, and also some that Mike Cranfield has already done. And whenever these guys come up with new scripts, like continuum subtraction, smart stretch, and so on, they will automatically, when you update your script like any other script, they will be added here. And they will be improved with new versions. So in principle, even if you do not want to create any scripts yourself, there's already so many scripts available here that it might be worth actually downloading it. And now, I mean that these guys are set free, because that's something else that Bill Blanshan mentions within his video, that this is not just for you, this is for these guys too. Because whenever Bill now has a great idea about a script, or Mike Cranfield, they can very easily actually create that without having to do all the coding they had to do until now. So there might be a lot more of these scripts available rather soon. And then you can use them right away. You can choose now one of them, for example, sharpening wavelet. You say launch. And now this PixelMath UI transformed itself into a completely new script, as you can see. And now you can actually sharpen it in whatever way that you want. So that's the one group. And if you belong to them, you do not have to watch all the videos. You can simply download the script. You know now where to find all these scriptlets, how they call it, and you can play with them. Now on the other side, if you belong to the group who really likes PixelMath, who has already developed your own formulas, but you never really dared to go into create some scripts, then this is your moment. Now you will be set free to create whatever script you want with your formulas, and you might even distribute them to all of us, and we might all use your script. Now, if you belong to this group, and that's what I mean, I will not create tutorials. This is, I just looked a little bit through Bill's video, and while it's doable, it really needs this. Only part 1 has already 50 minutes, and he says he will do tons of videos. So this will need some learning, some understanding how this works. You need a little bit more than simply the PixelMath formulas. You need to enter the variables and stuff like that. So I think then it's really worth that you're watching all of Bill's video to get the most out of this tool, and it will still be a multitude easier than it was until now to create these scripts. So this is actually all I wanted to tell you at this moment about this breaking news, and to whatever group you belong, I wish you a lot of success and that you get a lot of value out of the PixelMath UI, and a huge thank you to Bill Blanshan and Mike Cranfield for creating that. See you next time, and clear skies.